Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel in Physics for All. We are discussing about Introduction to Electrodynamics, 4th edition by David Griffiths. As you know very well, we are discussing about chapter 10, Potential and Field. This video is part 2 of topic 10.1.2, Gauss transformation. As we already discussing about all of these equations, if you want to know how we get this equation, you have to watch my previous video. Okay, we have to come back to our point that in this equation delta beta plus partial alpha over partial t is equals to 0. We can put value of alpha from this equation. Alpha is equals to delta lambda. We can also write our equation as partial lambda delta beta plus partial over partial t. Instead of alpha we can write delta lambda equals to 0 by taking lambda as common. We can also write it as beta plus partial over partial t lambda equals to 0. We can also write our equation as beta equals to partial lambda over partial t plus kt. In this equation we introduce a new factor which is kt. What is kt and why we write it? As we know very well, our equation is independent of position but depends on time. So this factor is taken from time. This equation shows that a new equation related to b which belongs from lambda is a new equation of lambda. This kt doesn't affect the lambda. So our above equations we write in the first case, we can also write them as a prime equals to a plus del lambda and v prime equals to v plus minus partial lambda over partial t. From these two equations we get our conclusion that by adding lambda, which is a scalar function, a scalar quantity, by adding in a or by subtracting it in v, it doesn't affect our electric and magnetic field. Those quantities which by adding or subtracting in our potentials A and V doesn't affect our electric and magnetic field, such quantities, such values are called Gauss transformation. Those values or quantities quantity whom by adding or subtracting or subtracting doesn't affect our potentials A and V, means do not effect on their electric and magnetic fields. Such quantities or values are called gauge transformation. I hope you will understand about this topic 10.1.2 of chapter 10 fields and potentials, which is gauge transformation, knows very well about it. If you want to know any question or anything or related to this topic, you can ask me. If you have any queries, you can ask me. I am here to give you answers to your questions. Kindly don't forget to give a like, a thumbs up to my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.